Hello friends, welcome to Entri. I am your quant educator and today I am going to discuss one of the most scoring options for your prelims examination. Okay? You can watch my topic as well, quadratic equation. So, I think my voice is audible and let's join everyone so we can have a fruitful and a really good session. Because in this session I'm going to tell you about the concept as well as I have brought several questions, okay, several MCQs, so must join this session so we can start. Okay. Come on everyone, come on, quickly share with your friends, share, and then we will have a really good session. Okay, just a minute, let me share with some aspirants so we can make them join. Okay, so let me elaborate the concept of quadratic equation. First of all, you should understand that it is basically inequality. Okay, and inequality is of two types. One is the linear and the second one is quadratic form. Okay, so we are trying to use the quadratic. Hello Sandeep, hi, how are you? Good evening. We are going to solve quadratic equation, and the standard procedure to solve the quadratic equation, it is the standard form of quadratic equation. Okay, ये standard form है quadratic equation की. How you solve this particular quadratic equation? You multiply x square coefficient and constant, and after getting the product of x square coefficient and constant, you will factorize them and break it into two parts in which you can either get the sum or get the subtraction of x coefficient. यानी आप x का कोफिशिएंट बनाएंगे चाहे आप उसका प्रोडक्ट करके या सम करके. ठीक है, so let's move on and let's start this session with some really good questions so you can get a clear idea about the question. Okay, so guys, shall we start? Tell me, shall we start the concept? Okay, I think most of the aspirants have joined and they will surely join once the session is moving ahead. So it is your first question. Come on, you can solve this question and you can raise your queries here. Okay, remember guys, come on, share this session as much as you can so we can simply solve this kind of question. Look at this. Here it has been given like x cube minus 468 equals to 1729. Okay, and y square minus 1733 plus 1564. all right, remember that whenever you take the value in cube, you will, or the power, or in power odd, you will always get only one value. Okay, so try to solve this one so we can get the clear answer, and guys must post the answer here. Okay, so we will have a long conversation. Come on everyone, I want everyone to solve this question. Look, it's a really good question. You just move that 468 to the right side and you'll be getting x cube is equal to what? 1729 plus 468. Okay, that means you will be getting x cube is equal to 2197, and you know that 2197 is nothing but a cube of 13. That means the value of x you will be getting is 13. So we have got the value of x as 13. Okay, now what will we do? We will use again this one. So here we will be getting y square minus 169 is equal to 0. That means y square is equal to 169. So from here we will be getting in the form of a square minus b square. And we know that whenever we get the form of a square minus b square, we split them in two parts. One is a minus b and the second one is a plus b. So from one comparison we will be getting the positive value, and from second comparison we will be getting the negative value. That means this y will generate plus 13 and minus 13, while x has already generated only one, that is 13. So if you are going to compare this, you know that x is equal while greater. So x is equal but greater. So that's where our option C will be the correct one. So tell me guys, are you getting the concept? Come on everyone. Yes, no E, not E. It will be, Rani, watch this. It will not be E. It will be option C. Are you getting it? Tell me, did you get this? Come on Sandeep, try to solve this question. Okay, I think everyone is trying this. So guys, come on, just share this segment. Share as much. Look at this. Look at the question and look at the method. Just look at this. I have put 468 to the other side. Then the negative sign will be converted into positive sign and it will be added. And that makes the whole sum 2197. And we knew that 2197 was 13 cube of 13. That means only one value we will be getting. Remember one thing, that whenever you have a power of x, no, it will not be equal, because minus 13 into minus 13 into minus 13 will make it again minus 13 cube. Okay, so remember, we are not getting minus 13 cube because we are getting only 2197 in terms of positive. Good evening Nicey. Good evening. Anish, did you get it? Anish, did you get the concept? Come on Anish, did you get the concept? Now tell me, everyone who are live. Good evening Nicey, and yes, Anish, Rani, both of you, have you got the concept? Okay. Alright, so let's move on. Now tell me who will tell me the answer of this question first. Look at this. 2x square minus 13x plus 21 is equal to 0. Okay. And we knew that whenever we get minus and plus, we will be always getting both the roots in terms of positive. So first we need to multiply this 2 into 21, and that makes 42. And after doing the factors of 42, we will be getting 6 and 7. And this 6 and 7 not only made up, good evening Aviresh Reddy, MK. Whenever we get the product of two number, we will multiply them or we will add or subtract them. Okay, in this case we will multiply and add. Okay, and we'll be getting both them. So their roots will be plus 6 and plus 7. But remember, you have already multiplied with 2. That means you will divide it by 2 as well. Okay. Now, the next one, 5 and 21, that will make 105. And we know that 105 will be a product of 15 and 7. Not only just product, their sum will also come 22. That means their factor will be plus 15 and plus 7. But remember, we have already made a product of with 5. That means we will divide it by 5 as well. So in this case, we are going to multiply with 5, 5, 5, 5, and here 2, 2, 2, 2. So what makes them easier? Look at this. We have made their denominator equal. Okay, we have made their denominator equal. That means a numerator will decide which number is bigger. Yes. So 30, 35, 30, 14. Look at this. X is equal, X is greater. So X is equal, X is greater. X is greater, and x is greater. So in this case, x is greater but equal as well. So C option will be the correct one. So I hope, yes, Anish, yes, Rani, very, very good, very well, very well. So you guys are tremendous, you guys are working hard, and if you are getting the concept I'm teaching you, just press the like button at once so we can have a really, really good session. Okay, so this one is a very good question. Okay, so let's go and have a look at the second one. Here comes the second question. Look at this, x square minus 12x. Now tell me, who is going to tell me this question's answer first? Come on guys, I want all of you, because this question is a piece of cake. So just solve it. Come on everyone, I want you to solve this question before me, okay, because I want you to perform well. So I want you to do it without using pen. Okay, come on, B. Okay, very good. Rani has given me the answer first, so I'll check it, don't worry about it. I'll check it in front of you, so don't worry. So how's your preparation going, guys? Are you giving regular test regularly? Okay, are you giving test regularly? Test दे रहे हो आप सभी लोग? C. Okay, so Sarla has given me C. So now let me check the answer. Here, look at this. Their roots will be plus 6 and plus 6, while their roots will be 7 and 8. So clearly both the 6 will not be able to make it greater than y. So x will always be smaller than y. That means your option B will be the correct one. Yes, Sarla. Yes. Okay. I think you have made a typing error. Okay, so everyone is good. Very good. Aviresh, Reddy, Anish, Sarla, Rani. Very good. Come on, I want you to solve this question. Come on guys, come on. Everyone must do this. Here, 2x square minus 3x minus 35 is equal to 0. Now let me tell you, this one is very important. Y square minus 7y plus 6 is equal to 0. So tell me how you are going to solve this one. Come on, give me the answer of this question first. Come on, quickly, because this quadratic equation question can be solved within a minute. If you're getting 5 questions from this segment, okay, remember, if you're getting 5 questions from this segment, you have to do it within 2 minutes. That's where you are going to make it on time. Okay, come on. Anish, Sarala, Rani. Come on, Aviresh. Ready? Come on guys, share it in your group. E. Okay, I'll check it, don't worry about it. One more answer. Come on, one more answer should be here. Come on everyone. Can I get one more answer? Look at this. 235 is 70. Okay, so Anish has deleted his message. That means something he has got it. So 70 arrived. Okay, and you know that 10 sevens are 70 as well. That means both the signs are negative. That means we are getting plus 10 and minus 7, but it will be divided by 2. Remember that whenever you get both the signs negative, you will always get plus and minus, but remember that plus sign must have a bigger number. Okay, so we have got 5 and 3.5. Okay, now here plus 6 and plus 1. So plus 6 and plus 1. Remember, 5 is greater than 6, 5 is less than 6. So that means x is less where x is greater. So this relationship cannot be established. Okay, that means option E. Whoever given me the answer E is correct. No, Sarla, no, 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 no. It will be option E. Why are you giving this as option B? Option B is not correct. Watch this. I have already solved this one. Because this one will be 6 ones are 6. Yes, good. Now, here comes the next question. 2x square plus 5x minus 33. Yes, yes, yes. And y square minus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2 into 33. Come on, I want you to solve this question and I want you to solve it in a simple manner. And guys, must share this session. And whoever haven't subscribed this channel, must do it now. And remember, if you're subscribing, don't forget to press the bell icon. E. This one is also E. So okay. Yes, and remember that you don't have to factor, you don't have to do a factor of this question, because let me give you a trick. Look, whenever you see negative sign on both the equation's constant part, that means the constant part is always the C's one. Okay, so if you see constant here in both the equations, a1 y square plus b1 y plus c, okay, c1. So whenever you see both the signs of these equations negative, what will you do? You will stop writing, you will stop factorizing, and you will always give the answer as negative, because we know that in the first equation we will be getting plus and minus, and in the second equation we also getting plus and minus. So look at this. First equation's plus, let's say that first equation's plus is greater than second equation's plus value. Yes, first equation's plus will always be greater than the second equation's negative value, but can first equation's negative be greater than second equation's plus value? No, I don't think so. So one relation will say that it is greater, and the second relation will say it will be smaller. So relation cannot be established. Remember that. All right, always remember. Yes, E, everyone clear. Now tell me the answer of this question. Who is going to tell me the answer of this question? Come on, tell me. Come on, guys. I want all of you to perform well in the examination, because the nearest exam is SBI. So you have to target the big fish. If you're targeting the big fish, I believe you can already clear your examination. Okay. So tell me the answer of this question. Come on, Rani, Sarla, Avresh, Reddy, Anish. Come on. Try to solve this. Anyone? Guys, share this session with your friends. Look at this. What you are doing, look at this. Let's learn how to factorize a bigger quadratic equation. Okay, look at this. Here we are seeing that first we need to multiply 105 into 4. So what will you do? You will not multiply 105 into 4. Okay, instead of, you will factorize 105 as well. So 15 7. Okay, now let's combine two factors. Let's say that 7 fours will be 28, and this 15 will be there as well. So let's add 28 and 15, and it will become 43. Okay, so that means the factor of the product of 4 into 105 will be 15 and 28. So we will be getting minus plus sign. That means we will get both the roots in positive. But remember, we have to divide it by 4. Okay, from here we will be getting 7 and 3.75. Okay, now let's solve the next one. 30 into 7. All right, and we know that 30 into 7 is 20, 210. Now 210 can be written as 15 into 14. Okay, 15 fours are 60, 15 ones are 15 and 200. So 15 and 14 can be written. So 15, that means 15 plus and 14 plus. And when you divide it by 7, you will always get 2 point something and you will 2. So whatever the value will be, x will always remain greater than what? Y. So you can do that. You don't have to solve this one, okay, fully, because you know that the value will come as 2 point something. The value will come in between 2 and 3. And if you are below 3, that means x will always greater than y. So your option A will be the correct one. Now tell me, no, A is the correct option. Sarla, A is the correct option. Yes, yes. Why are you doing so many typing error? Come on, Rani, are you there? Aviresh, Anish. All right. I think all of you have got it. Don't worry, Siva, don't worry. She might have done some typing error. So all I am telling you is you must get a complete concept, okay? If you're getting a complete concept, nobody will be able to stop you. Okay? All right. So let's move on to the next question. Come on, champions. Solve this one. Come on, guys. Come on, everyone. X square plus 13x plus 40. Yes, Siva. Y square plus 7y plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Now how you are going to solve this one? Come on, tell me the answer. I want you to perform well. I want all of you to do this in a better way. Come on, Siva. Everyone. Guys, these are some really important sessions. And if you are getting it, I believe you can solve it in a very efficient manner. Okay? Come on, I want you all to perform well. Look, these are some really important sessions, okay? So if you're performing well, I believe you can make it to the examination easily. All right? So remember that these are some really good sessions. Okay. D. Okay, let me check whether the answer will be D or not. Okay, look at this. Here we will be getting minus 8 and minus 5, and here we will be getting minus 5 and minus 2. So x is, remember that the more the value in negative is greater, the lesser it will be. Okay, so x will be smaller than y, x will be smaller than y, x will be equal, so we will let it be x will be smaller than y. So option D is correct, absolutely correct. Nicey, Anish, Aviresh, Siva, are you there? Come on, Siva. No, Nicey, it will be D, not C. Watch my solution. It was an easy question. How are you doing it wrongly? Remember the question I am telling you, some really good ones. Okay, Sarla. Salah, you made it wrong this time. What's your concept? I think you are making mistake. These are some. It looks like Siva is on your back. Okay, solve this one. Come on, tell me who is going to solve this question. 4x square minus 29x plus 45 is equal to 0. Okay. 3y square minus 19y plus 28 is equal to 0. So this will be a lengthy question. Okay. Come on, tell me. Okay. Okay, very good, Aviresh. I want you to do the thing in your own manner. Come on, how are you going to solve this question? Both the factors will be okay, okay. No issue, no issue. All right. Siva, just calm down. Just focus on your concept. You don't need to always push people, okay? Just concentrate on your thing, because if you are sitting in the examination and you see the adjacent person, okay, sitting in the examination, what will you do? Let's say that he or she has done more green, okay, than you. Then what will you do? So don't worry about it, okay? Just let them as it is, okay? Just focus on yourself. So 45, okay, A option. Rani has given me A. Aviresh, tell me the answer. So 45 fours are is 180. And the factor of 180 would be what? Tell me. 29s are 180. Okay, so 20 plus and 9 plus divided by 4 divided by 4. Here again 328 84. So 84 will be 12 7. So 12 plus and 7 plus divided by 3 divided by 3. So what will you do? 4 5 3 4. Look at this, 4 2 point something and 3 2. So what we will do? We will make it as it is. So how you are going to solve this question? 12 by 3. We will do one thing. Okay, remember, we will multiply whole factors with 12, and we'll be getting the value in whole numbers. That means 60, okay, 27, 48 and 28. So look at this, x is greater, x is greater, x is smaller. So how you are going to say that you have answers? Come on guys, who has given me the answer? Will it be A? Are you sure? Are you sure? Will it be A? Just check it once. Guys, will it be really A? I believe the answer is cannot be determined. Yes. Yes, yes, Anish. Now you are telling me the correct answer. Sarala, very good. Come on, look at my concept. I am giving you the exact value. Okay, remember that exact value. Ah, yes. Remember, don't forget to divide. All right, yes, yes. Don't need to be sorry. Just remember one thing. The error you will do here might cause problems in the examination. So I am giving you live practice, an opportunity to learn in the competitive environment. Why? Because in the live classes, all aspirants are fighting for the correct answer. That means, and that makes you a competitive. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. E is the correct one. Aviresh, absolutely. So I think all of you have got the answer. Now This one, come on, who is going to tell me the answer of this question first? Come on, I want all of you. I don't want to do the solution of this question, I want you to do the solution for me. Okay, come on, try it at once. Try it at once. These are some really important sessions, and I want you not to miss the session. Guys, just share this session with your friends at once, and if you have not subscribed this channel, just do it. Come on everyone, come on, who will tell me the answer of this question first? Come on. D. So Sweti Rani has given me D. Okay, I'll check it, don't worry about it. Come on guys, some really good sessions. It will make you competitive. It, because the questions are easier, but you are competing with your compatriot. That makes you more efficient. Look at this. X square minus 19x plus 84 will give you the factors 12 and 7. Okay, Korean, very good. E. Okay, so let me check, because two aspirants have given me different answers. Okay, while y square minus 25y plus 156 is equal to 0, that means the factor will be 12, 13. So 12 and 13. X is equal, x is smaller, that means x is smaller but equal as well. So answer D will be the correct one. So Anish, check your answer. I think you have made some error. Come on guys. Yes, Sarla is back in form. So nice. No, yes, D. Sarla, no, Sarla, check. Anish and Sarla, I haven't seen you. Okay, yes, D option is correct. Okay, D option is correct. It's not E. I forgot I have made D option is correct. Yes, D option is correct. Rani, very good. So I think most of you have got it. All right, so I think no, it will be D, not E. Sweti, you have given me the correct answer earlier. Now you're giving me the wrong answer. Why are you doing this? It will be option D, not E. Come on guys. Okay, just watch the solution I have given him. Alright, now let's move on to the next question. Okay, here comes the next question. Look at this. 12x square plus 11x minus 56 is equal to 0. Okay, while 4y square minus 15y plus 14 is equal to 0. Now tell me how you are going to solve this. Come on. Come on guys, quickly made it. Okay, look at this. Who will give me the answer of this question first? Remember the method, the technique I have told you. Remember the technique I have told you to make it, to split it. Look, what will you do? You will multiply it with, no, it will be D option. I have given you the solution, Swati, in this one. Okay, so let me check. 12 into 56. So how you are going to divide it? 4 into 3 and 8 into 7. Okay, so 4 8s are 32, 3 7s are 21. So 32 and 21, the difference between them will come as 11. So the factor will become minus 32 and plus 21, because the sign is plus and minus. So the answer will be reversed and divided by 2, 12 divided by 12. Now here 4 14 56, 56 is 8 and 7. Okay, so plus 8 and plus 7, and it will be divided by 4. So what will we do? We will multiply the y's factors into 3, and then we will be getting minus 32 plus 21 plus 24 plus 21. So x is smaller, equal. X will be smaller and equal. So answer D is the correct one. Let's see who has given me the correct answer of this question. Anish has given me the correct answer. Sarla, Swati, just watch it. The 10th question's answer. Okay. Come on, guys. Come on, everyone. Look, the questions are important, and if you perform well here, I believe you are going to perform well in the examination as well. Okay, so you cannot afford to lose any of the questions. All right, so let's see what the next question will be. Come on, everyone, I want you to perform well in this segment, because yes, D was the correct of the previous question. The previous answer was D. Now tell me the answer of this question. Let me share this with some of the aspirants. Okay, Sarla, yes, absolutely. Now tell me the answer of this one. This looks big question. Okay, so how you are going to approach this question, that matters a lot. Now tell me how you are going to approach this question. First of all, you need to eliminate it with 2, because it will become easier. Okay, look at this. Whenever you do that, you will not only simplify it but make your calculation easier. 66 and 1 and 9. Okay, look at this. 7x square minus 66x plus 119. So when you multiply this 119 into 7, you will divide 19 into 6. Okay, and you know that 7 6 are 42, 42 and 19. Can you do that? No. So find another solution. Again you will split into 3 into 2. Alright, look at this. 19 3s are 57 and 14. No, it will not be there. So how you are going to do that? Are you going to do this? Come on, tell me how it will become the factor. Come on, I want you to perform well. Look, first step you should do simplify it with 2. Okay, so it will become 7x square plus 66, sorry, minus 66x plus 119 is equal to 0. Okay, now tell me how you approach this question, because you will multiply 7 into 119, and when you multiply like this you will make something like this. Okay, come on, who is going to tell me the answer of this question first? Is it Sarla? Will it be Sarla? Okay, the next one will be easier because 13 fours are 52, and we know that 13 4 will also be the factor. So plus 13 and plus 4 and divided by 4 divided by 4. So the second one will be easier because it is smaller, but the first one will spend some time. Okay, but you have to prevent that thing because these are some important but easy ones. So how can you do that? Come on, everyone. Come on. It will be 17 into 7. Okay, look at this. When you multiply 7 into 7, I made it 19.6, but it will be 17 into 7 because 17 sevens are 119. Okay, let me check whether the answer is E or not. Okay, let's find out. Yes, answer is E. Who has given me the answer? I think the first person has given me the answer. Yes, Sweti, very good. She is the first one. Now, its factor will be plus 49 and plus 17, but you will divide it by 7. So what will we do? We'll multiply with 7 here and multiply with 4 here. We don't need to multiply lots of things here, okay, because we know in both the data we'll be getting what? Maximum value. Look at this, 91, and it will be 64. So this value is surely greater than 91, but this value cannot be greater than 91 because 17 fours are 68. So 91 is greater. Okay, that means one value you will be getting greater and the second value you will be getting smaller. That means your option E will be the correct one, and the relationship cannot be established. Did you get that? Let's move on to the next one. Now, here 5x square minus 19. Yes, Sarla. X plus 12. So why did you okay, 3y square plus 14y plus 15 is equal to 0. Come on, who is going to solve this question? Come on. Come on, everyone. Look, let's find out the factor of first. 12 fives are 60. So the factor of 60 will be 15 fours are. Okay, that means it will become 15 plus 4 divided by 5 divided by 5. Okay, the next one will be 45. 45 means 9 fives are 45. Okay, plus 9, sorry, minus 9 and minus 5. Look at this. It is a simple question. Okay, and in the first equation you will be getting all the values in positive, while in the second equation you will be getting all the values in negative. That means the first equation will always remain greater than the second equation. So your option A will be the correct one. So you don't have to solve this kind of question by writing, by using pen. Look at this. You will be getting minus plus, that means all the value will come, all the factors will come in positive, while here all the factors will come in negative. That means you will always remain ahead. Yes, yes, but can you, but do you have to use pen? Just use your brain and watch the equation closely. Okay? Very good. Rani, Anish, Sarla, everyone. Good. Now tell me this linear equation. How you are going to solve this? 3x plus 5y. This one was the first equation and this one was the second. It is a simple equation and I want you to do this within fraction of time. Come on. Can you do this? Can you do it? I want all of you to perform well, guys. A, yes, the previous one. Okay. Tell me the answer of this question. Come on, guys. I want you to perform well. So how you are going to do that? You will multiply with 4 here and multiply with 3 here. Okay. And after solving this one, okay, see, you will be eliminating the value of this. So 5 4s are 20 and 7 3s are 21. So that means minus y will arrive. Here 9 4s are 36, 13 3s are 39. So the value of y will come as 3. When you put the value of any of the equation, okay, C, lots of aspirants are saying C. So 3x plus 15 is equal to 9. That means 3x is equal to minus 6. That means the value of x is minus 2. Clearly, minus 2 is smaller than 3. That means, okay, that means x will be smaller than y, or you can say y is greater than x. Yes, no, Sarla, it will be C, not A. Remember, negative value cannot be greater than the positive value. Okay. Yes, now tell me the answer of this question. 9x square plus 18x minus 7 is equal to 0. 7y square minus 4y minus 11 is equal to 0. So tell me the exact answer. Come on. I want you to do this question within a minute. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Quickly, quickly. Okay, so E will be the answer of 14th. Okay, let me check. 9 sevens are 63. Okay, 63. Come on. And 21 threes are 63 as well. So the relationship will establish minus 21 plus 3 and it will be divided by 9. Okay. Now 7, 11, 77. Okay, minus minus means, so you cannot solve this question. Look at this. The two negative signs on both the equations constant term. That means your option E will always come. Just don't solve this question. I haven't looked at, but here look at this. Both the equation have negative sign on their constant value. That means your answer will always come as cannot be determined. That means you cannot establish any relation. Don't use pen. Don't use pen. Yes, 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 Anish, yes. I haven't looked at it because I was looking at your comments. But as soon as I saw it, I stopped myself from solving. So my mind is constantly dividing in two parts. So you have to look at it, okay? Because I have already told you the method. Next one. Come on, guys. Tell me the answer of this question. You can write it here like this: 5x square plus 17x plus 14 is equal to 0. 7y square plus 24y plus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. Now tell me the answer of this question. Come on, come on, come on, guys, come on. Solve this question, solve this question. I want you to solve it within time. Look, these are some really good questions, and I want you to give me the answer of this question. Come on, guys. Solve this question as quickly as possible, okay? Because the method is an important one. Okay, E. Rani has given me E answer, but I think it was... Okay, let me check. Here, look at this. 5, 14, 70. 70 means minus 10, minus 7, because both the signs are positive. Okay, but divided by 5. Okay, 27s are 140, and 140 means 14 tens are 140. So it will be minus 14 minus 10 divided by 7 divided by 7. So what will you do? You will multiply it with 7 in the above equation, multiply it with 5 in the below equation. Okay, so you'll be getting the denominator equal, and that will be really good to compare. Minus 70 minus 49 minus 70 minus 50. Look at this. Equal, smaller, greater. So smaller or greater means you will stop there and you will say your answer E is the correct. Sarla, Rani, Anish, very good. Next one, look at this. This looks simple. 2x square plus 5x plus 3. Okay, and 2y square minus 5y minus 3. How you are going to solve this one? Okay, come on, tell me how you are going to solve this one. There will be two types of equations. Both are similar but are different in factorization. Come on. Come on everyone, come on. I want you to perform very well. Okay. Again E. Okay, look at this. 2 3s are 6, but the factor will be 2 3 because its sum is 5. Okay, A. Now I see everyone is giving a different answer. Okay, don't worry about it, I'll solve it. Minus 2 minus 3. Okay, but divided by 2. Here, look at this. 2 3s are 6, but this 6 will generate what? Minus 6 plus 6 1s are 6. Okay, it will not be 3 or 2, because when you generate the sign negative here, it will become difficult. Okay, so it will be plus 6 and plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. That means minus 2 minus 3 plus 6, plus 6 minus 1 minus 1. So smaller but smaller, smaller but smaller. So x is smaller than, just a minute. It can be smaller. Just watch it constantly, calmly. C. So you have given me the answer C. Look, x is smaller, smaller and smaller. So x is smaller than y. That means your option y is greater than x will come correct. Yes, Rani, Anish, absolutely correct. Really proud of you. I want all of you to get on the selection board, okay? Remember that. That means the merit list. Come on, solve this question. 3x square plus 25x minus 18 is equal to 0. 5y square minus 21y plus 16 is equal to 0. Come on. Solve this. Look, 18 threes are 54. Okay, 18 threes are 54. Now tell me how you are going to reach like this. Come on. Tell me how you are going to make it. Guys, solve this question as quickly as possible. Come on, come on, come on. Look, the factor of 54 will become 27 and 2. Okay, so it will be plus minus. That means the factor will arrive as minus 27 and plus 2, but divided by 3, divided by 3. Okay, now 5, 16, 80. E, okay, 80. 80 means 15. Okay, 16 fives are 80. Okay, so it will be plus 16 plus 5 divided by 5 divided by 5. So first of all, listen to me very carefully. This negative sign will always remain smaller with both the values of y, but this will be less than 1. That means this value will always be greater than 1, so it will be less than again, and it will be less than again. So the complete answer will be option C. Okay, watch it carefully. No, it will be C. Rani, it will be C. Yes, Anish, yes. Anish told me the correct answer. Yes, guys, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Next one. Next one. Look at this. 7x plus. So it is a linear equation. 7x plus 8y is equal to 42. 3x plus 5y is equal to 18. So how you are going to attempt this two equation? Come on, tell me. Tell me the answer of this question. Come on. Okay, what you can do is you will multiply with 3 in the first equation, multiply with 7 in the second equation. And after multiplying this, you will eliminate the x coefficient. Look at this. 8 3s are 24 and 5 7s are 35. So difference will arrive 11. And it will become 126 and it will become what? 126. Okay. So it is an interesting one. That means the value of y will come as 0. When you put it here, the value of x will come as 6. Clearly x is greater than y because it will be A option. Yes, Rani, you have given me the answer first. That's really top class. Some of the aspirants might get confused, but don't. If you have your concept correct, you should be proud of that. Yes, Sarla. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Why did you erase it, Rani? You were spot on. Yes. Guys, what's wrong with you, all of you? Sometimes you made it correctly, but after that you have erased it. So why? Come on, this one. 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. And the next is 2y square minus 5y plus 3 is equal to 0. So tell me the answer of the question. Alright, it's okay. 2 ones are 2. So clearly minus 2 minus 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. 2 threes are 6. Okay. And it will be 3 and 2. Because why not 6? Because if you took minus 6y plus y, you will not be able to take the common part out of it. Okay. So that means you will be getting plus 3 plus 2 divided by 2 divided by 2. So clearly minus 2. Look, first of all, you don't have to solve this question. I have solved it because I had to. Okay. But you should not. Why? Because look at this. In the first equation, you will always get negative roots. Both the roots will be negative. While in the second equation, you will always get both the roots positive. So clearly, negative 1 will be smaller than the positive one. So your answer is C option. Okay, yes, very good. So guys, if you are getting small tricks, if you're getting small concepts or small methods I'm teaching you, if you're getting it, just press the like button, and those who haven't liked it especially. Yes, the next one. Come on, now I want you to perform well. Here, look at this. X square plus 51x plus 644 is equal to 0. Now this one must be done by you guys. Okay. Now tell me, who will tell me the answer of this last question to me? Come on. I want all of you to perform really, really well. And after that, I will teach you how to predict such method of solving, how to predict the method of solving a larger factor. Look at this. In the earlier part, you will be combining the two numbers, or you will be doing the product of two numbers, so you can split it. But here you need to factorize them from 2, so because you don't know it yet. So how you are going to do that? Look, first of all, you need to factorize 644. So remember that. So let me teach you the method. Look at this. Just watch the unit. Okay. And here the 2 unit values. Okay. Because the factor, the number, you have to do factor, and the value, just a minute guys. I think there is, okay. All right. So I got it cramped. Okay, solve this one. Come on. Look, just look at this. Here we have 4 unit. Here we have 1. So how you are going to do that? The only case you will be getting 4 is by multiplying 6 and 4, because multiplying 6 and 4 you will be getting, but adding 6 and 4 or subtracting will not get any, in any case, unit 1. Okay, so the next one will be 8 into 3. Okay, and 12 into 2, but 12 into 2 will be discarded because the subtraction or addition will not give you the unit 1, but here you will be getting 1 unit. So how you will be getting? Let's make 28 and 23. After multiplying 28 and 23, you will be getting 6 44. Okay, while adding them you will be getting 51. That means their factor will come as 28 plus 23 because the sign will be minus n plus. Here 43s are 120 and it is a simple one. 12 into 10, that makes 22, both 12 and 10. So x is greater, x is greater than y. That means your option A will be the correct one. Just watch the technique I have taught you. Yes, Rani, absolutely correct. X is greater than y. Just remember one thing, you have to match, you have to use every method which can prevent you spending time on a particular question. Okay, so this was the last question of the today's live class. I hope you all have enjoyed this session. We will keep bringing you all the live classes, so don't forget to join me on 19th 22, okay, 22nd, remember that, at 9 p.m. sharp. All right, so that's it. I hope you all have done it correctly and you all have installed this Entri app and you all have subscribed this channel. So those who have subscribed this channel, don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, till then, thank you, keep watching Entri.